congratulations for Sayana. First of all, I watched the trailer, but I would say honestly, the 1 minute teaser which launched before, it gave me goosebumps.
Yes, yes, you're so right. In
The
fact, the
teaser did
teaser
its
did the
magic.
job.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, it surely touched a chord inside me. And, I'm someone who has grown up watching your films, and you have made my childhood special.
अरे
And
क्या बात है.
सही में, because I have watched every film of yours, right from Hawa Hawai, Stanley Ka Dabba, Beat Tare Zameen Par, every film of yours has something or the other to offer. And this time it became even more special for me, getting to know someone through your craft. Because we all know it's going to be magical.
Not my craft, actually, my love for Saina.
Mm-hmm.
My admiration for Saina, my worship for Saina.
Mm-hmm.
Because when she became world number one,
Yeah.
in that period, I thought I will make a film
Mm-hmm.
uh, to celebrate Saina Nehwal and bring her into the lives of all Indians.
True, exactly. So
Yes,
this is the first time you are directing a biopic. So, what are the pressures of making one when there are a lot of expectations?
you're right. See, actually, I make only biopics, if you see. So, Ishan
Okay.
Nand Kishore Avasthi, there are 100 Ishans who have put into one
Okay.
Ishan.
Exactly.
And so it is putting a magnifying glass onto the skin of the character.
Yeah.
So be it Ishan, be it Stanley, be it Arjun Harishchandra Wagmare, or little sniff
Yeah.
Sardar Bacha. The truth is that Saina also I have used the same magnifying glass. And
Mm.
that's the magnifying glass of the humane and the human. Okay,
Yeah. True.
how like you and me is this person? But then how come this like you and me person become world number one?
Yeah.
There has to be some magic potion that
Yeah.
she's had. So I was in search of that magic potion and I found
Mm-hmm.
it. And
Mm-hmm.
that's her spirit, and her
Hmm.
mother's spirit, and her father's spirit, and her coach's spirit. So, it's all one kadai. It's bubbling, and you have to just get that skin into the realm of the national consciousness. That
Yeah.
here is a girl child,
Yeah.
and this is the Tigress of India that we are celebrating. And beyond that, I have no interest because I am not a person in Bollywood.
Hmm.
I'm I I really really pay attention to the chai that I make in the morning, as much
Okay.
attention
Little
as
things matter.
make
Yeah.
films. Yeah, little things
Yeah.
matter, and that is why I am not in a hurry. I never worked in my life,
Mm-hmm.
so it's been a pleasure being on planet Earth. Am I sounding corny? Or
No,
what?
not at all. I mean, you are someone who, pays attention to the little things. And I think that's a really important fact in making any movie or anything remarkable.
Not remarkable, madam. It should touch you.
Yeah,
What
emotionally.
touches me if
Yeah,
I'm able to communicate
yeah.
that to a nation,
Hmm.
and then the job is done. You know,
Exactly.
and in this job, I have a senior partner.
Mm-hmm.
Right from Tare Zameen Par to today, it is
Mm-hmm.
Deepa Bhatia who's my senior partner, the
Mm-hmm.
person who I'm married to for the last 25 years,
Mm-hmm.
and the uncredited partner. And I feel terribly bad about that because she has co-helmed Saina through the ups and downs, and we both kind of, you know, taken that dive together. And I would imagine she's just taken the editor's credit and the co-producers, but
Mm-hmm.
she is much more for that film. And I need to at this stage bring it into the realm of people. That
Mm-hmm.
it's not behind every man stands a woman. It is because the woman stands tall, every man like me can brag.
That's a very sweet, inspiring thought.
But that's true.
Yeah,
It's honest.
exactly. So, how much was Saina involved in the filmmaking? Was she there during the shoot?
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay.
She has bigger accomplishments to go for.
Yeah.
She was not celebrating her life or anything.
Hmm.
She said once we met That's in December 2015,
Okay. Yeah.
mid-December, when after she had killed Carolina Marin in the Dubai Open
Yeah.
in the quarterfinals, and
Mm-hmm.
she had come back and she was in rehab because she was not well. She
Mm-hmm.
had a knee and a ankle problem.
Mm-hmm.
And while she was in rehab is when I met her.
Okay.
And she was so happy that I was doing this, because we had the person who signed her, Sujay Jairaj,
Mm-hmm.
the life rights of Saina. He
Mm-hmm.
took me to meet her in December, and she was so happy. She said, "Okay, yes, I mean, you can really look into my life." So, having said that,
Yeah.
very few times I met her after that. So it
Mm-hmm.
was not like some active research that was happening. She was so candid. I am a candid person. So I don't sit with files and books and, it's all felt.
Conversational or
So the
friendly.
questions that were asked were felt. The answers were also as honest and felt.
Yeah.
And with that, and the parents, my God, the parents are like, what are they? They live in a 4-story bungalow
Mm-hmm.
in a very gated community, but
Mm-hmm.
they don't have a servant in the house. The mother is making parathas and chai for us. Everybody is just rallying because the only source of their joy is badminton. Everything else is not essential.
Secondary, not important.
They are so Spartan in their, outlook to life. Once I went, only the father was there those days because mother and Saina had gone on a tour.
Mm.
And I asked the father, "Chaliye ab khana khate hain?" Because all day we were together, we didn't eat, he didn't eat. We were just drinking mineral water,
Yeah.
not even chai, because there was nobody who wanted to go and make that chai.
Yeah.
And since he was being involved in the chat, he couldn't go.
Mm-hmm.
And I was involved in the chat. Otherwise, I'm a good cook. I could have cooked up a meal. So in the evening, I said, "Chalo, let's go out." He said, "Nahi, nahi, hai na." So I had seen, I'm a cook. So I had rain checked the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
I said, मैंने देखा कुछ खाना तो है नहीं, बना ही नहीं, तो आप क्या खाएंगे? जैसे है ना, केले हैं, and there was like 6 slices of bread का एक पैकेट होता है, एक ब्रेड है,
Simple.
उषा रानी ने अचार बनाया, इतनी बड़ी बर्नी है मोरबी की, और फ्रिज में दूध है ना, वो होता है. So that is the essence of their life.
Yeah.
There's a story, there's a thing to learn for all Indians who are so, into the glamour and where am I seen and what is somebody thinking about me and perception and this and that, to learn from such a simple family who put their daughter out as world number one. Give me instances that have happened. So, they're not common instances.
Yeah.
This is a special person, this Tigress of India.
Mm-hmm.
I love her to death.
We are surely going to love her. We anyway love her, and I think the movie will do justice to it.
I hope so. I hope so. I'm banking on that.
Mm-hmm.
I've put my life into it. Deepa has put her life into it. So just like Partho, that's one more child. Sign another
Yeah.
film.
So, sir, you have done films like Tare Zameen Par, Stanley Ka Dabba, as I had said earlier. So, was there any different approach in making a biopic?
I told you, those are also
Yeah,
biopics,
those are also
but
biopics.
of unsung heroes.
Yeah,
Here I have a actual, rock star hero,
that's
heroine,
true.
whatever you
So,
call
was
it.
there any sort of difference in approaching it this time? Since
No, the approach will be from the same, Karchi,
okay,
because that pen is going to be the same. That heart and mind is in balance. It is not going to shift according to the business propositions of the film world,
true.
because I'm not in it for that.
Yeah,
So if I'm like, I have a dying need to make a film about Saina Nehwal, so we started off.
yeah,
But otherwise, there is no special approach except for the badminton.
yeah. That's different.
Because that badminton has to be authentic, and you have to carry the badminton home.
Yeah, true.
As my friend, the great Bimal Roy's grandson and Basu Bhattacharya's son, I showed him the film.
Okay.
Aditya Bhattacharya. He made Raak with Amir and Pankaj Kapoor. Long
Okay.
a film. first film with Santosh Sivan, Srikhar Prasad. What a unit! So this man, he saw the film and he says, biopics are made every day. Everybody makes biopics, but then it is about the human stories.
Yeah.
But here, along with the human story, I see the authenticity of the badminton, which I attribute to
This is
a golden coach called Shrikant Wad from the Thane Syed Modi Academy. He runs that academy, and the support he's given. And I found a badminton boy to play Kashyap, Saina's lover and husband later.
Yeah.
He's Ishan Naqvi. He's Shiv Chhatrapati Award winner. He's a Maharashtra State twice badminton champion. So he was coaching earlier Shraddha. And when I was looking at him, I said, Chalo, let me cast him as Kashyap, because where will I get that authenticity of that badminton?
Yeah.
The little Saina. She's India number 1 doubles and India number 3 singles. Little Naisha Kaur Batove. She can't go wrong in badminton.
Yeah, true.
So badminton, if you're making a film about a badminton champion, the minimum you have to be careful about is that you don't mess it up.
Don't compromise on
the
quality of the badminton sport. Yeah.
That I owe to the badminton community. Otherwise, they'll slap me.
Yeah, true. So, sir, you have always emphasized on the fact, of emotions being a major part in making a movie stand out, apart than the cinematic experience. So, what was the kind of emotional journey you went through while making Saina, and will the audience too experience it the same way?
Emotion is part of cinema. So, emotion is part of Ritwik Ghatak. Emotion is part of Satyajit Ray. Emotion is part of Sant Tukaram, made by Fatilal and Damle, which won the Golden Lion at Venice way back in 1935. That's cinema.
Yeah.
Emotion is Do Biga Zameen. No less. So it is not about the mise-en-scène, that how your camera craftily captures it, but what it captures is it pure?
Yeah.
If pure emotion filters into your film, then that is equally as lasting as an experience in cinema. Then I guess all the other stylistic cinematic masters.
Yeah.
So there is no need to worry, because there are different classifications for different leaps in cinema.
Yeah.
So when you leap out, if my God is Ritwik Ghatak and my holy book is Meghadaka Tara, so I can't help it being a student for life of Ritwik Ghatak and his emotional whip. And I'm not forcing myself. It's not कि कुछ 30 ग्राम इमोशन डालना है और 20 ग्राम उसको और खींचना है तो 50 ग्राम का च्युइंगम बन जाएगा और फिर उनको ऐसे लोगों को सताओ कि मतलब बेहाल हो जाएंगे रोते रोते. That's not the intention.
Exactly.
The intention is it should finish when it should finish. You should not extend it to to buy the tears of your audience.
Yeah, that's a very strong point.
You are moved, then be sure the people who has a heart like you have a heart will also be moved.
Yeah.
But you don't have to work your way into the audience's heart and steal their tears. That's subversive, I feel.
Yeah.
That's not good. That's not good karma.
True. So, sir, it was initially finalized with Shraddha, and then she was supposed to do the film, but ultimately Pariniti walked in. So, how did the transition take place, and why did it change?
It changed just a quirk of fate that while Shraddha was shooting with us for the first 2 days, which means she was prepped to play Saina in terms of the sport. She was well tuned to the sport, but she fell ill. She got dengue. And once she got dengue, she went deep down. For a month, she was recovering because it's a sports film. So she can't come and just do some emotional scenes. She has to play the sport. So that dengue took the wind out of her. And after that was the turn of Chishore, because they had permissions for IIT Hawaii, where they were shooting only for that period of Diwali and, when the campus is on holiday. So
Yeah.
then she had to go there. And after that, there was another quirk of fate where uh, my producer, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, who was
Mhm.
producing a bigger film that time,
Okay.
is that ABCD2, Street
Yeah.
Dancer. I
Yeah.
always forget the word
Yeah.
Street Dancer. And
Yeah.
it was
With
in
Nitish, Shraddha,
crisis.
and yeah.
And so he brought Shraddha in with Varun Dhawan in that film.
Mm-hmm.
And he gave me Parineeti Chopra. So it's a
Okay.
win-win for everybody, for Shraddha, for me, for Mr. Bhushan Kumar, and for Parineeti Chopra.
So it
So
was because of the date.
there was never any.
Okay.
Only thing is because I'm not on Twitter, I'm not on Insta, I'm not on any
Yeah, you're not
public
on
platform
social media
except
at all.
Facebook for my friends. It's a
Yeah.
locked profile for only my friends who
Yeah.
have kind of hunted out for the last 40, 45 years. But there's not a single person on my Facebook who I don't know personally. So
Mm-hmm.
उनके लिए मैं रखता हूँ because I need to communicate with my friends. But
Mm-hmm.
otherwise, I don't I normally don't talk too much. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Now this, of course, this is lineup. I have to honor my producer by
Yeah.
giving these interviews, but I don't really like to talk. You
Mm-hmm.
know, it's tiring for me. Or abhi to khair, with the corona, I'm little fatigued also. You know. But the
Okay.
truth be told, I'm not really,
Yeah.
I'm not fond of talking. It's
Okay.
not a good
Okay.
thing.
Cool.
But I have to say it. It's not clarification, but I have to tell the truth. It's a smooth transition and things happen in life. How many times there are people, ये करने वाला था वो film लेकिन उसने किया, you know,
And then
stories
कुछ हुआ होगा
about
या फिर
Sholay and
must have happened.
stories
Yeah.
about so many, about Pyasa, stories about, so many stories.
Yeah.
And fascinating, who replaced whom and what became history is a different
That's
thing.
also
I'm not
true.
saying here that this film is like credible for history and for the
Mm-hmm.
frozen in time, but no. What I meant was कि चीजें होती हैं अपने हाथ में नहीं है,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah.
So how was it working with Pariniti? How is she
Oh,
as an
wonderful!
actress and how she
She's
takes?
a fabulous actor. She's
Mm-hmm.
a wonderful actor, and which is why with no actor can give 15 years of life like Saina has given to the sport in order to be Saina Nehwal in a biopic. Only Saina Nehwal can play that role
Yeah.
with her badminton. But
Yeah.
who can play with alacrity is a clever actor
Yeah.
who will never get caught.
It's like
Because
there were
prep
moments
तो
it
क्या
felt
आप
like
क्या
we
पांच
were
पांच साल
watching.
prep करेंगे क्या? You can't prep for 5 years and 6 years playing badminton and then get ready for the role. I
Exactly.
mean, nobody does it. Sir Laurence Olivier told Dustin Hoffman, who was running around, you know that? It's a story where he was running around and trying to, get huff and puff because he was playing marathon man.
Yeah.
And so he says, young man, what are you doing? He says, no, I'm just getting ready for the shot.
He needs to look
You know?
like that.
So the classic line from Olivier was that, why don't you act instead?
Yeah.
Instead of getting into the role and, doing this whole method, you just
Yeah.
play it out. No, if you're a good actor, you'll be able to do it.
Mm-hmm. I just wanted to know, since there was a change in the lead star, so did the script also go through some changes, keeping the storyline intact?
No, the script, you give me one more day, I will change the script.
Okay.
So for 5 years, it has been kind of metamorphosing and things.
Yeah.
At one point, my friend and theater person, Amitosh Nagpal, came in and he wrote some spicy dialogue for us.
Okay.
And then that also changed. And then because things kept happening, it was on you give me, I told you, a day more, I'll change something more in it.
Mm-hmm.
Because it can never be frozen and locked and this and that.
Yeah.
Change तो होना ही है, मजा है, life का मजा वो, that nothing is sacrosanct.
True. So, sir, I wanted to know one more thing. Bollywood has, this newfound obsession with biopic. The biopic I'm talking about. So,
Yeah.
So do you think we are able to do justice to the sportsmen or these personalities? Because even they are going to watch the film with us. So do you think are there certain things which one needs to keep in mind?
See, I can't talk about the world. I can only say one thing: why is everybody going towards making biopics, whether it's sports or whether it's because we are looking for heroes. heroes. We want to be inspired. And those who have achieved things in sports, especially, because
Yeah.
it's or soldiers, people who have given their lives for the nation.
Mhm.
It's inspirational. I mean, imagine the sacrifices of a soldier who gives his life for his nation,
Yeah.
or a sports person who extends herself
Yeah.
to give something so special to the nation and
Hmm.
have the tricolor, flying high.
Yeah.
So these are examples to be followed.
The biopic is more authentic and true, I would
Not
say.
just that, it's about a person who will inspire the
A
viewer.
simple person. It could be a simple person as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So one biopic which really inspired you, either Hollywood or Bollywood.
Biopic, I wouldn't say, but I was a young man then. I'll be
Mhm.
turning 60 next year. I
Okay.
was in my college uh, then in 70s, end of
Yeah.
70s, and I saw Chariots of Fire
Okay.
on Sebastian Coe, the mile run by them,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and this music track by Vangelis. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Today you see any corporate film, anything that is made locally here, there, anywhere. Suddenly you'll hear that sound. Da, 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 da,
Yeah.
da, 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 da.
Yeah.
That's Chariots of Fire. That's Vangelis, the composer.
Okay.
So the same way I have a grand composer who's held my hand for
Huh.
4 years of his life,
Yeah.
and he's no less than a son to me, is Amal Malik.
Mm-hmm.
And but
Yes.
Amal has sung for the first time
Mm-hmm.
the anthem, the Saina anthem,
Yeah.
which he has
I've heard.
composed.
Yeah.
He's given his life for this film. You know, he's been with us, me and Deepa, like
Mm-hmm.
our son Partho, and he's recorded the Macedonian string section, Philharmonic Orchestra,
Mm-hmm.
the brass section. It's all part of this film. It has a narrative. The film has a storyline happening simultaneous of the
Yeah.
making, and how many people gave what of their life to this film,
Mm-hmm.
which is, I have to celebrate that uh, presence of my, I was in college in NM, Narsi Monji Mahavidyalaya,
Yeah.
meant for uh, creating chartered accountants, but instead it
Mm-hmm.
created so many people, including Firoz Abbas Khan, who made Mughal Azam, and Gandhi, my father,
Mm-hmm.
Paresh Rawal, and Amir Khan, Ashutosh Guwarikar, Vipul Amritlal Shah, Atish Kapadia, Deven Bojani, right up to Sharman Joshi. We are all part of one uh, Kabila
Okay.
caravan created by
Yeah.
a magic man called Mahendra Joshi, a director, theatre director.
And what did you learn
Yeah.
about Saina after the film, which has stayed with you?
Not after the film, before the film only I learned about it.
Yeah, but
That
change of thoughts or maybe
देश की बेटी हो देश की बेटी हो तो ऐसी.
ideal
She's
child.
the ultimate icon
Mm-hmm.
of perseverance, spirit, and strength.
Mm-hmm.
I and the second person like that is in my life. 25 years I'm married to Deepa Bhatia. These two women are like God for me.
We need to look up to them.
Yes.